Journeys Festival International celebrates the work of refugee and asylum seeker artists, and it runs across 3 cities in the UK. So it runs in Leicester, Manchester and here in Portsmouth as well. And we aim to be really celebratory and welcoming for everyone across the 3 cities. This year we had a really jam-packed programme with something for everyone, lots of activities for people to get involved in and lots of different art forms. So we had a lot of family activities this year, so we had people coming to Aspects as part of their family Saturdays and creating welcoming banners as part of our community procession, which took place at the end of the festival. So there's loads of arts and crafty stuff for people to do there. And we also had a project called Future Aleppo as part of the festival as well, which was really fun, interactive, virtual reality project exploring a paper city created by a Syrian refugee, Mohammed Gatesh, and the virtual reality experience that was created from that. So as part of that project we invited children from Portsmouth and also members of the refugee and asylum seeker community to come and create their own versions of Portsmouth in paper, and then a virtual reality experience has actually been created from those, which people can find online. We had our Look Up commission as part of the festival again this year. This year was slightly different, and we had a digital art piece commissioned from artist Svetlana Ochkovskaya. As well as being able to share the work on screens within established partners like Guildhall and New Theatre Royal, we also managed to work with Portsmouth Football Club to screen the work at Fratton Park during a home game, which was a great opportunity for us to be able to share our work with a wide audience and reach lots of different members of the community within Portsmouth. The container project was back again this year, so we had a shipping container outside Portsmouth Cathedral, and we had local artists Nazi, Mizit and Sahara Rock all teamed up to spray paint the outside of the container. And then within the container this year we had a piece called Tourist by Anton Katz, and it explores his experience of going through the naturalisation process in Germany. Within the cathedral we also had 2 exhibitions, The Invisible's Journey and Jungle Style, which we brought over in collaboration with Secours Catholique, who work with refugee and asylum seekers in Calais. We also had an exhibition in St Mary's Church as well, so in collaboration with Aspects we showcased their pontoon project. They worked with a group of refugee and migrant women from the city to upskill them with digital skills, and they spent a series of workshops filming each other, taking photographs, learning new skills. We had a great film screening with Portsmouth Film Society, Themba, A Boy Called Hope, and we shared Look Up there and various other short films that we had as part of the festival. And we had an excellent screening of Sufra with a post-show discussion with Cinema Number 6 as well. We were really excited this year to be able to bring our Weekender to Portsmouth, which is a 2-day free, family-friendly music weekend. And it's an opportunity for everyone to come together, engage with artists from across the world and join in other activities as well across the 2 days. We had a variety of different artists come and perform, lots of different styles, lots of different instruments. The University of Portsmouth brought Puppet City with them, and we had a lot of people creating cardboard structures and inviting puppets into this new city to play and explore. As part of the Weekender we also had a poetry and creative writing stage, so we had students from the University of Portsmouth and participants that have taken part in a poetry writing project with us perform some of their work. So it was a mixture of poetry written about Portsmouth and about being in the city and experiences of moving here. It's a really fun 2 days. We had a lot of people coming down and joining in and getting involved. We had a lot of dancing as well, but didn't even stop when it started raining, so that was really great to see people enjoying some of the culture that we've brought to the city. We had a fantastic festival. We were really pleased with the support from everyone across the city, the enthusiasm for everyone who came to our events. We're thrilled with how well it went this year. We want to thank all of our partners in the city and all of the people who supported the festival as well, and also to our wonderful volunteers who made it all possible, and to our Roots group as well, who we've been meeting with throughout the year, and who are members of the refugee and asylum seeker community who have fed into everything that we do, and we'd just like to say a massive thank you to them.